Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing? It's Apple Tech Review. Yeah, I want us to review and unbox this power bank, uh, 25,000 milliamperes. So guys, let's go ahead and do unboxing. We say whether it's worth buying. Yeah, because it's new on the market. So this the type, it's a XCell power, a fast charging power bank. So this power bank, it's the capacity is 25,000 milliamperes. Then the output, it has three outputs. We have the first input, it's a DC 5 volts 2 amperes. Then the next one is type C with DC 5 volts also 2 amperes. Then total output DC 5 volts then 4 amperes. So this one is made in China, and it's designed for most all smartphones. If you can read from here, it's designed for all smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, and the wireless smartwatches. So let us go ahead, we do unboxing and we do review for this one. We see whether it's worth buying. All right, so this one comes with a seal here. So in the box, as you can see, it only comes without any it comes with a user guide. It doesn't come with any USB or charging cable. So this is how it is designed. So it has one button which you use to switch on. Yes, as it is shown that it's 25,000. So I want us to check this one. We see whether it can charge and make a phone, or whether it can charge two devices at the same time, and how long it will take to make these phones full. Yeah, so guys, so this is the input. If you want to charge it, you can charge from here. So from these two, you can use them to charge your devices. So I'm going to show you in the review. Let's go ahead and we do review. We see how long it will take to charge the phone, also how long it will take to charge, to become fully charged. Yes, okay. As guys, you see, it's almost getting full. Yeah, I've used my cable type C to charge it. Yeah, it has another option also for type B. Yeah, so once it gets full, I'm going to show you using my two smartphones to charge it. So I will show you how long it will take to charge these phones, also how fast it can charge them, because it's a fast charging. Okay, yeah, so let's wait for it to get full, then we check it out. Yeah, so guys, now as you can see, it's full now. It's full charged after 5 hours, because it was, I got it when the battery was too low. So I have my phone here, it's at 11%. Then also this one, it is at 5%. It is at 5%. So let us charge these two phones. We see how long it will take to charge. So we connect one here. So let's connect also another one. At the same time, we want to know how long it will take to charge these two phones. So guys, let us give it time. We see how long it will manage to charge these phones, since it is a fast charging power bank. Okay guys. So guys, after almost now 2 hours, so it has charged these phones. This one is full now, 100% charged. If you can see clearly, it's now 100% charged. As you can see, so this phone is almost it's a Redmi with 4000 milliamperes. It has charged it very fast in almost 2 hours. Then this one is Samsung with 4500. It has charged it to 62%, but it's still charging. But you see here on the power bank, it has only lost one bar, only 1 bar to charge all these phones. One is full, you see clearly. Now it's full, and then see. So guys, this power bank really, it's really nice, and it's the cheap power bank at only $20. So just if you want a nice power bank and a cheap one on the market, just get yourself one of such at only $20. Yeah, so now I'm removing this one because it's already full. I'm only now charging one phone, and still my power bank is still indicating 3 bars, and it's 63, meaning it can charge your phone almost 4 times before it drains the whole battery on your power bank. Okay guys, that was the test. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in comment if you have any comments. Thank you.